Welcome back. Hope you're having a good morning. For starters, the SGX 50 suggesting a bit of a green tick, actually quite a bit of a green tick. It's suggesting that we're likely to open up in the green with a gain of close to around 80 points odd. But I think we have our technical experts who are standing by. So Sudarshan as well as Mitessh join us. Good morning, gentlemen. Thanks so much for joining in. Well, Sudarshan, let's go across to you first. What's your call on the Nifty?
Good morning, Nigel. See, yesterday the idea was that 17,400 should provide support, and if that support holds, then we should consider start buying. That luckily went very well. Now, I would think that that support is likely to hold for some more days, but remember, there is a very big event in the shape of the budget coming tomorrow, and there's no way I can predict what the markets will do after the budget. So, assuming that nothing changes in the budget, 17,400 should hold, and we should be looking to buy today also, and if nothing changes, then tomorrow also.
Okay. Well, all right. I mean, it is a tricky time, right? Mitessh, what would you do in a market like this? We're going into the budget quite weak. There's large FI selling as well. Is it a no trade zone today and tomorrow, or are you looking at some strategy for the day?
So, not a no trade zone very clearly. I think, the markets do provide opportunities. But on the index, I would want to go long only once we see stability above 17,800. That was the key support pivot when the markets were consolidating in late December and early January. And I think, till that gets taken out on the upside, I would be skeptical of any move towards it and, possibly treat that as a pullback. Only if we start getting strength above 17,800, then I think we'll have a stronger reversal, which could give you about 400, 450 point kind of a trading rally. So that's the approach on the markets. But for the time being, trading with stock-specific biases clearly.
Gentlemen, good morning. Mitessh, in terms of specific stock trades, what would you have?
So, Prashant, I have a mix of buys and sells. There's more bias towards the long side today because the IT sector is doing very well. A lot of stocks are reversing. So I have two IT names on the buy list. Emphasis is the first stock. That's a buy. Keep a stop at 2095 or just below it, and a target of 2160-65 could be looked at to begin with. Similarly, Coforge, post the numbers, has been clearly in an uptrend. Last 3-4 days worth of consolidation now looks set to restart the up move. That's a buy with a stop at 4390 for a first target of 4475. And the third buy is Tata Motors with a stop at 435. I would recommend a buy for a short-term trading target of around 460 on the upside. One sell call on mild pullbacks. JSW Steel can be shorted around 7.8, 7.10 with a stop at 7.22 for a target of around 6.85.
Right. Sudarshan, how about you? What would your stock ideas be for the day?
Well, I'm looking at mid-caps that have been outperforming, and given my view that this market could slowly inch up, they are buying opportunities. So Dr. Reddy is a buy with a stop under 42.50. TVS Motors is a buying opportunity. It actually went up for 2 days even when the Nifty was falling. Yesterday it had a down day. That's a buy on dip. So buy with a stop under 1,015. Syngene is my only short trade. Short selling should be done only intraday. Consider going short with a stop above 577. And Coal India is another buying opportunity. A large base is being built. Now it will break out when it will. But even for the short term, it's a buy with a stop under 220.
All right. Thanks a lot for that. Well, Anuj is also joining in now for a quick trade setup. Anuj, morning.